Tree Lopping Scarborough. Caboolture Tree Removal Redcliffe offers professional tree service Scarborough homeowners and businesses can depend on. Our team handles tree lopping Scarborough projects with care, ensuring hazardous branches are removed safely to promote healthy growth. We also specialise in efficient tree removal Scarborough to eliminate dangerous or unwanted trees. Our certified arborists Scarborough deliver expert tree pruning, stump grinding, and land clearing solutions, helping to maintain beautiful and safe outdoor spaces. With years of experience, we are committed to protecting property, improving landscape health, and delivering reliable tree care across the Scarborough region.